thought of her name. It's Madeline Hunter. So if you don't know what I was talking about, go back and watch the video for this week of March 31st. I was talking about lesson plans, and I was talking about the ones that I'm not really crazy about. Madeline Hunter, that's the one that I don't prefer. It's not a lot of bang for your buck. Your choice, if you like it or not. Totally up to you. Okay, so how are you going to do this assignment? This assignment is called Lesson Plans, and what I want is you to find a lesson plan online, evaluate it, see what you think, love it, hate it. I need to know the grade level, the standards, the topic, those kind of things. And where you're going to put this is you're going to put it into Lesson Plans, and it's going to go right into here. So it says, please upload a lesson plan, state the grade, subject, and standards that are being met. Now, if you forgot how to find the standards, go back to the video in March 29th, and we're going to talk about going to opi.mt.gov, and that'll show you your Common Core standards. But if you get a lesson plan off the internet, sometimes they already have them on there, like ed.com or education.com generally has the Common Core curriculum standards on there. Just use those. So if you can't find yours, then you need to go back and look at OPI and find out how that would fit in. If you can find a lesson plan that has the Common Core standards, just throw them in there. Okay, so how are you going to present this to the class? I'll show you. There's a couple different ways we can do this. The easiest way is to come over here and Start Assignment, and then you can do a website URL. So that means if you have a YouTube video that you've already done, you can just like throw it up there. You can use a webcam. The easiest one, I think, is this one right here. It says Media. Click on Media and Record, Upload Media. That means you just hit right there, and all of a sudden we are recording. So everything that I'm saying is going to be on this recording. Now my camera is already being used for my video, so it's not going to be on this video. So it can only do one thing at once. So that's how you would do the recording. And then when you're done, hit stop. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even start yet. So then when you're done, you hit finish, and then you can save it. And once it's saved, you can hit submit assignment, and there you go. That is your video. So this is just a video between you and I. It's not going to be for a discussion so everybody can see it. So you're just showing me what's going on in your video and your lesson plan, and then most often when we have these presented to the class, we have them a big to-do out of it. We do group work and people get up in front and do that. I think with just the two of us, two of you in the class, I think this is probably a better way to do it, because then that way you can do it on your own time. So it says being presented to the class. Yes and no, you're going to be presenting it to me, and that's about it. So if you have trouble with any of the technology parts of doing this, just let me know. I can definitely help with that. It might be even so much as us getting on a Zoom call together and recording it, something like that. So you're going to video yourself. Tell me about the lesson plan. Tell me the grade, the subject, the standards. Is it good? Is it bad? Why? Why not? And then you're going to submit it as a video. Okay, hope that was I hope that's going to be a simple enough assignment, and it's just going to get us used to using technology, and it's going to be getting used to you looking for lesson plans and then kind of thinking through them, reflecting on those. This is all due April 7th. So if you need any help at all, please let me know, and I would be happy to jump in and help you. Now, I don't use the media section of Canvas for my recordings. I use something that's called Screencast-O-Matic. If that doesn't sound professional, I don't know what does. So Screencast-O-Matic is a download that you can get from the internet, but you can only get 15 minutes of video each time. So that's why none of my videos are more than 15 minutes, because I'm not paying for video. That's a bunch of crazy talk right there. You know, I'm on a teacher budget, so that's what I use. You're welcome to check that out if you'd like to use it that way instead. So I use Screencast-O-Matic, then I upload them to YouTube and then put them into a YouTube link. So if you're choosing to do that, I'll show you how to do that. You would go to File, Upload, use Webcam, or you can put the URL right in here from your YouTube. That's totally fine, but I think this one might be the easiest one for you right now. Okay, I'd be happy to help if you guys have any questions about things or concerns or just want to chat. Let me know. Okay, see ya.